Introducing the Azio IK404 IZO Bluetooth and USB mechanical computer keyboard, designed for a typing experience that's both smooth and quiet with durable mechanical switches. This keyboard supports both Mac and PC interfaces, featuring hybrid OS keycaps that elegantly display both operating system icons crafted with Gateron Blue mechanical switches. Enjoy the perfect blend of versatility and responsive haptic feedback, making your typing more enjoyable and efficient. With dual connectivity options, Bluetooth and USB, you can seamlessly switch between devices without hassle. When using the USB mode, simply connect the included USB cable to your computer for instant access to a wired connection if needed. Plus, customize your lighting with 21 customizable backlight modes, ensuring that every keystroke is illuminated perfectly according to your preference. The Azio IK404 also includes PBT double-shot keycaps with laser-etched fonts that remain vibrant and clear even after extensive use. What you need when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.